To create a zoom-in transition effect for videos in Canva, start by adding your video to the page and adjusting its size. Use the trim tool to cut the video at the point where you want the zoom-in to begin. Duplicate the page to create a copy. On the duplicate page, trim the remaining portion of the video after the zoom point. Then select the video on the duplicate page and zoom in on the desired area. Click Show Page Thumbnails at the bottom to view both pages. Move your mouse between the two page thumbnails and click Add Transition. Choose the Match and Move transition from the options, then adjust the transition duration as needed using the slider. Your video now has a smooth zoom-in transition effect.